ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। श्रीराम श्रीराम श्रीराम। हरि ओम। A very warm welcome. $6,000 or rather 60,000 years they lived only in water. Who? Vaivasvata Manu and his wife, his consort, both of them lived 60 years on water. You remember they were having fruits, roots, etc. That also they gave up 60,000 years. एहि विधि बीते बरस शट सहस बारी आहार संबत सप्त सहस्र पुनि. Again another 7,000 years rahe samir adhar. They lived only by breathing. Only by breathing. This is what we saw yesterday. Continuing. बरस सहस दस त्यागे सोवु ठाढ़े रहे एक पद दोवु विधि हरिहर तप देखिया पारा मनु समीप आये बहु बारा मागहु बर बहु भांति लोभाये परम धीर नहीं चलहि चलाये अस्ति मात्र होई रहे शरीरा तदपि मनागम नहीं पीरा प्रभु सर्वज्ञ दास निज जानी गति अनन्यतापस नृपरानी मागु मागु बरु भय न भवानी परम गभीर कृपामृत सानी मृतक जियावनि गिरा सुहाई श्रवण रंध्र होई उर जब आई हृष्ट पुष्ट तन भये सुहाये मानहु अब ही भवन ते आये श्रवण सुधा सम बचन सुनी पुलक प्रफुल्लित गात बोले मनु करि दंडवत प्रेमन हृदय समात सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. वर्ष सहस दस त्यागे सोवु. They even gave up breath. Meaning what? They held the breath. It is called as Kumbhaka in the Yoga Shastra. Kumbhaka meaning what? They take a deep breath and hold the breath within. Barasha sahasa dasa. Dasa sahasra barasha. 10,000 years. Tyagevu sovu. Meaning what? They held and lived with breath. Yogis are capable of doing. We should not try that right now. When we become yogis, we can think. All right. They could stay. Thade rahe ek pad dovu. And then what? They stood on one leg. Remember? Standing on one leg, not even breathing. Bidhi hari har tap dekhiya para. Bidhi Brahma, Hari Vishnu, Hara Shiva, Tapadekhi Apara. They saw that depth, the great penance. Manu Samipa Aye Bahubara. They came to him in different ways to try to, tempt him in many ways, in a manner of saying. That is what? Testing. मागहु बर बहु भांति लोभाये. They only ask for one boon. Nothing else. Paramadhir nahi chalahi chalaye. But the king and queen were very much resolute. Resolute meaning what? They were firm. They asserted themselves. Asthi matra hoi rahe sarira. Asthi means bone. They became bony. Bony meaning what? Everything went. No eating, no water, not even air. Asthi matra hoi rahe sarira. Tadapi managama nahi pira. In spite of that, in spite of so many deities, they also came and tried to convince them to come out of that penance. They didn't bother. Nahi pira. Prabhu Sarvagya Dasa Nija Jani. Prabhu, Bhagavan, Sarvagnya, the one who knows everything, Dasa Nija Jani. They understood their Dasa. Dasa meaning what? This beautiful, wonderful devotees. Here Dasa has got two meanings. One is Dasa is servant, maid, worker, laborer, etc. Here when in the Shastra when it is said Dasa, it means devotee, bhakta. Prabhu Sarvagya Dasa Nija Jani. They came to understand the real bhakti in them. Gati Ananyata Pasanruparani. Gati Ananya, they don't want anything else. They want only Bhagavan. Tapasa Nriparani, the Manu, the Raja and Rani. Magu Magu Baru Bhaina Bhabani. Then what happened? Ask for a boon, a very, very deep Nabhabani, a very deep, strong Vani. There was no Rupa. Vani came and said, ask for a boon. Paramagabhira kripamritasani. And how was a voice? It says Paramagabhira. It was very, very, very deep, very, they call it bass voice. It was very deep at the same time. Kripamritasani. It was, dipped in the nectar of love. It was dipped in the nectar of compassion. Kripamrita. In the nectar of kripa, in the nectar of compassion. Mritaka jiyavani gira suhani. That voice was so charming when that voice entered the eardrums. Even a dead body will rejuvenate and become alive. Jiyavani, Mritaka Jiyavani, the one who is dead also will become alive. Gira Suhai. Shravana Randra Hoi Urajaba Ai. When it enters the cavity of the ears. Shravana Randra. And what happened? Hrishta Pushtatana Bhaye Suhaye. The moment it entered, the voice entered the ear of both the tapasvis, then immediately that bony body which had lost all its essence in tapascharya, it became Hrishta Pushta. It became absolutely back to what they were before tapas, meaning it was very, very attractive, very beautiful. And they found their bodies very animated, meaning what? They could move. Otherwise, they could not even move. It was able to move. Manavu abahi bhavanate aaye. Then what happened? They found themselves back at home. Where were they? They were there in the vana. But suddenly they found themselves back as they were and back at home also. Shravana Sudha Samabachana Suni. When they heard this vachana, Shravana Sudha, this very sweet nectarian words, Pulaka Prapullita Gata, they became, there was horripilation in their whole body, and which was so delightful, Prapullita. Bole manukari dandavata. Then they fell at the feet, on the ground. And then premana hridaya samata, with lot of love. Now remember, they only heard the voice, but then they fell down in the ground as a symbolic of their surrender and the delightful surrender. And then what did he do? Premana hridaya samata, with lot of love, with lot of devotion. Manu spoke. What did he say? Sunu sevaka surataru suradhenu विधि हरिहर बंदित पद रेणु सेवत सुलभ सकल सुखदायक प्रणत पाल सचराचर नायक जौ अनाथ हित हम पर नेहु तौ प्रसन्न होई यह बर देहु जो स्वरूप बस शिव मन माही जेहि कारण मुनि जनत कराही जो बुसुंडी मन मानस हंसा सगुण अगुण जेहि निगम प्रशंसा देखहि हम स्वरूप भरि लोचन कृपा करहु प्रणतारति मोचन दंपति बचन परम प्रिय लागे मृदुल विनीत प्रेम रस पागे भगत बछल प्रभु कृपा निधाना विश्ववास प्रगटे भगवाना नील सरोरुह नील मणि नील नीरधर श्याम लाजहि तन शोभा निरखी कोटि कोटि सत काम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भय सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Sunu. Sunu means what? Manu speaks to Bhagavan. O Lord, Sunu, listen. Sevaka surataru suradhenu. You are to a sevaka, to a devotee. How? Surataru. Surataru means the wish fulfilling tree. Generally we call it as parijata. Wish fulfilling tree. And Suradhenu here refers to Kamadhenu, which is also a wish fulfilling cow. Suradhenu. Vidhi hari hara bandita padarenu. And you know, Manu is now speaking to Brahman. That which is the ultimate reality. And what does he say? The dust of your feet is adorned, mean applied by even Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. That glorious is the dust of your feet. Sevata sulabha sakala sukhadayaka. And you are the one who blesses all your sevakas, meaning your devotees who surrender unto your feet. Pranatapala sacharacharanayaka. And you are the palaka. Pranata palaka, the one who protects all those who come and surrender. Sacharachara, animate and inanimate, you are the Nayaka, you are the Lord. Jao anatha hita. Hum paratnehu. You are the well-wisher of all the anatha. Anatha meaning here what? The one who has been left out by everybody. Deenanatha, another very beautiful word. Deenanatha. Deenanatha is the one who are helpless. You are that person who have been abandoned, in another way, abandoned by everybody. Meaning, who are helpless. Jau anatha hita hamaparanihu. Please have affection towards us. Tau prasanna hui yaha barahidehu. Please be pleased. How beautiful. Tau prasanna. Please be pleased. Hui yaha baradehu. Please give us this boon. Now we are going to ask for a boon. You said ask for a boon. We are going to ask for a boon. Please bless us with that boon. What is that? जो स्वरूप बस शिव मन माही. I want you to show me your rupa, that which Shiva has in his heart. Jo sarupa. Sarupa meaning what? Saguna rupa. You are Nirguna Nirakara Brahma Tattva. But that sarupa which Shivaji has in his heart, and who is doing tapas upon that sarupa, please show ye. Jehi karana muni jatana karai, because of which all the great sages and saints do tapas to see that particular rupa. Jo busundi mana manasa hamsa, that great sage Busundi, Kaka Busundi we have seen earlier, isn't it? Kaka Busundi, he kept in his heart, and you dwelled in his heart. Like what? Like Hamsa, like a Hamsa Pakshi. You were there in his mind. Meaning what? That Rupa with which you were in his mind, Saguna, Aguna, Jehi Nigama Prasanga, and you are the one who is glorified with Saguna. Prasamsa, the Prasamsa are by Vedas, Nigama. Nigama, Agama, Shastra we say. Nigama Prasamsa, that Prasamsa which is done by the Vedas, Saguna Rupa, Aguna. But actually you are Nirguna. But then I want to see the Saguna. Jehi. Dekahi hamaso rupa bhari lochana. We would like to feast our eyes. We would like to fill our eyes. We would like to get delighted by seeing you in that Saguna Rupa. Gaining which the very purpose of these two eyes will be fulfilled. Therefore, that Kripakarahu, please bless us. Pranatarati mochana. By you are the one who gives mochana. Mochana means what? Liberation. Liberation to what? To all those people who have surrendered unto you. You release them from all the distress, pain, suffering, etc. Pranatarati mochana. Dampati bachana parama priya lage. Now Bhagavan saw that the Dampati Vachana, these Vachanas by the Dampati, Parama Priyalage, it was filled with so much of devotion, so much of love, so much of care. Bhajana Prama Priyalage, Mridula Binita Prema Rasa Page. It was completely dipped in the nectar of love and humility. Bhagata Bachal Prabhu Kripa Nidhana. Kripa Nidhana, Bhagavan, who is full of compassion, saw the Bhagata Bachala. Bachala means full of affection, full of love of his devotees. Who saw? The one who is the storehouse of compassion. Kripa Nidhana. Biswabasa Pragate Bhagavana. And that Bhagavan, the all-powerful Lord, Sarvajna, Sarva Shaktiman, Sarva Vyapi Bhagavana Pragate. Pragate means he came in Sarupa. He gave Sarupa Darshana to this wonderful couple, Manu and Shatarupa. Manu means what? Vaivasvata Manu and Shatarupa. Neela Saroruha Neela Mani Neela Neeradhara Shyama. How was he looking? It is said his face was like the blue lotus. Blue indicates infinity. If you see the sky, if you see the sea, S-E-A-C, if you look at the sea, all of them we see it in the blue color, light blue color. What does that indicate? It indicates infinity. That infinite Brahman, Neela Saroruha Neela Mani, he was the great jewel, Mani. Neela Mani, Neela Neeradhara Shyama. He was looking like a dark cloud. Dark cloud does not mean black and the sun. He means dark complexion, but very beautiful. Lajahitana sobhani rakhi. That dark skinned, that elegant look, the elegant form of Bhagavan, koti koti satakam, crores and crores of kamas, even they will feel shy. That was the beauty of Bhagavan. Now, in the next two chaupais, 47 and 48, beautiful description is given about Bhagavan. That Bhagavan which this wonderful couple saw, experienced, had darshan of. And what more can anyone ask in life? Is it not? Pratyaksha Devata Rupa. Vaivasvata Manu and Shatarupa had the beautiful darshan. How was the darshan is described in the next two chaupais, which we will see together tomorrow. It's beautiful description. All right, today we will end it with this and then continue tomorrow. All right. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om